All right, here we go. Rock LaManna here. Good friend of mine, Matt Moffett, just started up a new business. 3D printing. It's 3D art. It's called Lithophane. So he sent me one of his original samples. I'm gonna take a peek at it and wish him well. So here we go. So thanks, Matt, for sending this off to me. Gonna take a peek at it here. Shipped well, looks like it's very protected. Have no clue what he sent me, but I'm happy for him. It's not easy. Oh, wow, we got something here. It's some type of piece of art, man. It's a piece of art. And this is what you call 3D lithophane. Now, I need to plug this in. So I can do that with a, what do you call that, a C USB, and it'll light up. So, should we try it? Okay, here's what we got. C cable, Matt Moffett's 3D lithophane. Ta-da! It's my father, 98 years old, recent photo. Matt, thank you, man. Nice job. We'll get this out there right away. You'll be able to catch Matt at Moffett 3D. He's on LinkedIn. Check it out. Matt's is Moffert. See you then. God bless.